Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to turn on and off require alt text before posting on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the application, then go to these three lines and then go to the settings. Here you will find accessibility, click on it, and as you see here you will find require alt text before posting. So you can just click on it if you want to turn it on, or if you want to turn it off, click on it again. So that's it. That's how to turn on and off require alt text before posting, easy and quickly. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it. See you in the next video.